It's time to dig out your boxes from cupboards and closets, because now we're gonna make a bunny. A box bunny. Did you hear that, Box?
Oh! Hey! Hurrah! A box bunny!
And I got the beautiful box right here. But first, let's make a work drawing. Close up the box and glue down the flaps before we start. Now we can draw. Imagine a cute little box with 2 eyes, a nose, mouth, teeth, ears, arms and legs. We've got a bunny box. First, we move the drawing onto the box one side at a time. Let's start drawing the eyes. Then the nose, mouth, then pupils in the eyes, big teeth, and then a big open mouth. On the top of the box, draw 2 ears. And on the side, an arm and a leg. And the same on the other side. Now, draw a fluffy little bunny tail on the back of the box. Now we are ready to go over the lines with a marker pen. I recommend using a pencil to start with, so you can try things out a bit before you decide on the finished drawing. When you're happy, go over the pencil with a marker pen, making the lines strong and clear. It's important to use a waterproof marker pen, so the lines don't disappear under the paint. This is what the box should look like when it's finished.
Paint!
And now we can paint it in any color we wish. I want a really cool pink bunny. But you can, of course, choose whatever colors you like. Don't worry if you paint over the marker pen lines, because we can fix them up later when the paint is dry. Next, add some white for the eyes. And the big bunny teeth. Paint the inside of the mouth black. Not much light gets in here. Here's another bunny that is nice and dry. Now I can fix up the lines with my marker pen. Not much to do here. It's starting to look good. I'm going to add some fresh red details. On the nose, inside the ears, and a sweet little heart on the chest. Now you have a cute little bunny box you can play with. But if you'd like to go one step further, you can...
Cat!
And now, for the big moment. We open up the box and bring it alive.
Woohoo!
Find a grown-up to help you. Cut out the ears on the top. Also the arms and legs on the sides. And fold them out. It's always good fun folding out these parts, because then the bunny transforms from a box bunny to an almost living bunny. If you find it tricky to get hold of a cut part, simply use a pencil to dig it out. Move on to the arms and legs. And the tail. Look, now we can move, maybe even dance.
Oh, look at that cute smile. I've always wanted a smile like that. Add!
Looks like we also need a little bit of support for the ears, arms and legs. We fix that with a little bit of cardboard. The parts that stick out can sometimes be a bit loose and weak at the joints, so support them by gluing on a small piece of cardboard. This makes those parts stronger and they will last longer. Oh, isn't it just plump and cute, don't you think? Let's see it one more time. First, draw a bunny on the box with a pencil. Then go over with the marker pen. Then paint it using pink, white, black, and red. Next, cut and fold out the parts. And finally, add some support for any parts that may be a bit loose. You can also turn your bunny into a flower pot cover. Get a grown-up to help you. Cut off the top of the bunny. Lay some plastic over the top for protection and put in a flower pot. Box, help me out here. Got any more ideas?
Sure thing! You can use the same techniques to make other cute bunnies. Like this falling bunny. This tired bunny. Oh, what about this one? Who's fallen
There are thousands of ways you can box yourself. Just use your imagination. Can I have a banana? Oh, thank you. Banana? Banana? Banana?
Box yourself!
Hey you! Yeah, you! I just want to say thank you so much, my friend, for watching my channel, watching my videos. It's because of you that I am able to exist.